secret. Hey, we got some stuff. I told you I'm gonna carry you along. Today was a pretty good visit from China. We got some A&L Fruesholder. Yeah, yeah. This is copper from China. Copper ground. That's copper ground rod. Well, it'll be a. This is a grounding plate. This is where you do your bonding at. Yeah, man. This is real copper. We're gonna do it right way. You gotta put your little copper strip in there. Get all your grounds good and solid. What else we get? Oh yeah, get some more screw lube. I got a couple. I'm gonna make sure they screw the hell out of it with the screw lube. I got a couple things of that. Yep, got some more lugs. This is some 1/0s going to them China amps over there. Dual to China. Got some of this big fatty OFC going to them speakers. That's some big stuff right there. Yeah, I got a couple rolls of that shit. What else we got in here? That's junk in there. What's in that? Nothing. Oh wait, there's something in there. Oh, ferrules made in China. These are copper. These are copper for real. They're tinned. But these are from China. See, everything's made in China. I told you. That's why the whole car is going to be basically China. I did get something made in the USA though. What's in there? Oh, check this out. Woo! Loud as fudge. Hell yeah, what I'm talking about. Carbon fiber. This is a pro model. Hell yeah. We like to hold it in our hand. This is made of that aluminium. Yeah, aluminium. Look at that shit. Good Lord. Number 13. You know she's gonna get her done. Oh, that right there is smooth. Miller's gonna get ready. When they get in that seat, he's gonna go run you out of there. They did a good job, just what we wanted. Hell yeah, right on time. I ain't going no wireless. I'm going, hey, I'm gonna be sitting in there with you. That way, if you cut a fart, I'm gonna put it on 50 hertz and go and run you out. And then Miller gets in there and starts playing that rebass he likes. And then we might put that low shit in there. Jerry, he depends on how low Jerry tunes it. He might tune it where it goes. And all the doors fall off. Yep. Guys, we got her cleaned out a while ago. The old sign's cleaned out. We got all everything unhooked. Batteries is ready to remove. She's ready to go. We just got to load up a bunch of shit tomorrow. And she's going to South Carolina. And you're going to get to watch it all get built on television, on YouTube. It's going to be a series. Well, we ain't even named that car yet. Trying to think about, I don't know. We'll figure something out. I got an idea. Anyway, you guys take care, man. We got more stuff coming. I got piles of stuff here. That thing, when it's loaded up, it's going to look like the Amazon truck ran into the back of it. You guys take care. Have a good day. See you.